Luxury condo living in Saginaw Township. This Canterbury Ct condo has a bright and open floor plan offering 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the finest architectural details and finishes, featuring an open floor plan kitchen with a large granite island, custom cabinetry, and Jenn-Aire appliances. A spacious master bedroom with a large walk-in closet, a spa-like bathroom including double sinks, a built-in vanity, and a custom tile shower. The lower level has 1,390 square per foot of finished space, including a 3rd bedroom, a large family room, a full bathroom, and an exercise room with cabinets, including a refrigerator and a TV. Unwind in the private backyard featuring a manicured landscape, covered porch, and stamped concrete patio. Extra features: radiant heat floor system, main and lower level, tankless hot water, solid 6